No one is bad at mathematics. Do you know why? Let me tell you. Have you ever said to yourself, I'm not good at maths? I just struggle in maths. Anytime I see maths question, I don't know, I don't understand. Have you ever said to yourself, I'm not just a maths person. I'm not born to be a mathematician. There are people who like maths and I don't like maths. Let me let you know this good news. No one is born to be a mathematician. So if no one is born to be a mathematician, therefore anyone can learn some mathematics. And this is the good news. I studied mathematics as a degree course coming out with first class. And again, studying my Masters of Philosophy, I've come to realize that mathematics can be learned and by anyone. Just let you know, everyone can learn some mathematics. I wrote this book, Why You Struggle with Mathematics and How You Can Finally Come Out of It. That's the title of the book I wrote, because I have come to realize that there are easy ways to understand mathematics, but they have not been taught the way. You are just not good at math because you have not been taught how you can go your own way with mathematics. Not that mathematics is difficult. We think that when I fail mathematics, then I'm bad. No. It is just that you have not found your way of learning mathematics. Let me cite this example. Let's assume that you have picked a crèche child, a 2 years child, and you want to take the child how to add big figures like 10,000 plus 5,000, 2,000 plus 3,000, 4,000 plus 1,000. The child definitely may not be able to respond to that. But let's take this again in a different paradigm. Let's assume that you ask that child to add 2 apples plus 3 apples. He knows 2 and he knows what? 3. Then he says what? 5 apples. Now you emphasize that you should add what? The apple. Then again you ask the child 2 apple plus 1 apple. Then the child says what? 3 apples. Then you go again, give several examples. Then now you come back and ask the child 10,000 plus 1,000. The child will clearly add 10 and 1 and say 11,000. And you ask the child 5,000 plus 1,000. The child will add 5 and 1 and say what? 6,000. Why? He's assuming the 1,000 to stand in the place of the apples he was mentioning, like 2 plus 3 apples, then will give you 5 apples. It's assuming in that position, it will tell you that 6 apples. Right? And now when you ask the same question, 4,000 plus 2,000, the child tells you 6,000 with the knowledge that the 1,000 is standing like the apple. So when the child gets to the 6th grade, he's able to comprehend what it actually means to have the 1,000 attached to those figures he was adding. So mathematics is taught not in your way. If it had been taught in your way, you would have understood. This book is live on Amazon. Why you struggle in mathematics and how you can finally come out of it. It's live on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You can email me for the link or promo versions of that book. And then you will never say to yourself again that you are not good at maths.